Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Hello mga ka-istorya! Welcome back to At Home with Mardy. This January, we're kicking off a special series that honors incredible women. Those who didn't just shine under the spotlight, but showed that strength, talent, and authenticity are just as powerful behind the scenes. These are women whose stories go beyond fame, women who took bold risks, faced challenges heads-on, and stayed true to themselves no matter the odds. And today, mga kaistorya, we're diving into the life of a woman whose passion for people and the planet left an unforgettable mark on the Philippines, Gina Lopez. Born into the influential Lopez family, she could have chosen comfort and privilege, but instead, she dedicated her life to protecting the environment and uplifting communities. From leading massive river cleanups and forest rehabilitation programs to founding organizations like Bantay Kalikasan and Bantay Bata 163, Gina's work wasn't just about nature. It was about people, justice, and moral responsibility. She even became DENR Secretary, fighting tirelessly against destructive mining operations, despite facing political pushback. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. Today, we'll explore 7 real and verified facts about Gina Lopez that reveal not just her achievements, but her courage, compassion, and legacy that continues to inspire us all. Number 1, Gina Lopez was a Filipino environmentalist and philanthropist. Si Gina Lopez ay isang dedikadong Pilipinong environmentalist at philanthropist na buong puso ang pagtutok sa pagprotekta sa kalikasan at pagtulong sa mga komunidad. Pinangunahan niya ang maraming social at environmental programs sa buong Pilipinas at iniwan ang malalim na impact dahil sa kanyang passion para sa sustainable development at humanitarian work. Number 2, she was a member of the influential Lopez family. Si Gina Lopez ay pinanganak sa kilalang Lopez family, isa sa pinaka-influential na business at media dynasty sa Pilipinas. Anak siya ni Eugenio Lopez Jr., ang ABS-CBN Chairman Emeritus, at lumaki sa isang pamilya na malaki ang papel sa paghubog ng media at negosyo sa bansa. Number 3, she led environmental programs like Pasig River Rehabilitation and Lamisa Watershed Reforestation. Si Gina Lopez ang naging chairperson ng Pasig River Rehabilitation Commission at nanguna sa malalaking proyekto para linisin ang mga tributaries at i-rehabilitate ang Lamesa Watershed. Sa pamamagitan ng kanyang pamumuno, maraming komunidad ang nakinabang at nabigyan ng pag-asa para sa mas malinis at mas luntiang kapaligiran. Number 4, she founded Bantay Bata 163 and Bantay Kalikasan. Si Gina Lopez ang nagtatag ng Bantay Bata 163 at Bantay Kalikasan sa ilalim ng ABS-CBN Foundation. Layunin ng mga programang ito na protektahan ang mga bata at ang kalikasan. Pinapakita ang kanyang dedikasyon sa kapwa at sa kapaligiran. Number 5, she served as DENR Secretary under President Duterte. On June 2016, si Gina Lopez ay naitalaga bilang Secretary ng Department of Environment and Natural Resources o DENR sa ilalim ng administrasyon ni Pangulong Duterte. Bagamat naging ad interim siya, hindi siya na-confirm ng Commission on Appointments, ngunit nanatili ang kanyang impluwensya sa mga environmental policies at programa ng bansa. Number 6, her appointment as DENR Secretary was rejected by the Commission on Appointments. Ang appointment ni Gina Lopez bilang Secretary ng DENR ay hindi kinupirma ng Commission on Appointments dahil sa matinding pagtutol mula sa ilang industriya sa kanyang mga mahigpit na environmental policies. Kahit hindi siya opisyal na nakumpirma, nanatili ang kanyang legacy sa pagsusulong ng pangangalaga sa kalikasan sa Pilipinas. And number 7, she passed away from cancer at the age of 65. Si Gina Lopez ay pumanaw noong August 19, 2019 matapos ang kanyang laban sa brain cancer. Iniwan niya ang isang malalim na legacy sa pangangalaga ng kalikasan at serbisyo sa kapwa na patuloy na nagbibigay inspirasyon sa maraming Pilipino. And there you are mga kaistorya, 7 real and verified facts about Gina Lopez, a true environmental warrior, advocate for children, and a Filipina who dedicated her life to making a lasting difference, from spearheading the Pasig River cleanup to creating Bantay Bata 163 and Bantay Kalikasan. She showed us how one person's commitment can inspire an entire nation. What about you? Which part of Gina Lopez's work moves you the most, and how can we carry forward her mission in our own communities? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's celebrate her legacy together. If you enjoyed this video and want more fascinating stories like this, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Daghang salamat! Sending a big shout out and heartfelt thanks to this awesome viewer for dropping such an amazing comment. Maraming salamat po. Before we wrap up today's vlog, I want to leave you with an inspiring thought. A beautiful heart will bring things into your life that all the money in the world couldn't get you. It reminds us to stay motivated, embrace challenges, and keep striving to be the best version of ourselves every single day.